In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. This is a really useful setup if you want to connect your team's documentation with real-time communication. Once the integration is active, Notion can send database updates directly into Slack, which makes it much easier to keep everyone informed without constantly checking multiple tools. You can also take action from Slack and send important messages into Notion as tasks or database entries. To get started, open Notion in either your desktop app or your web browser. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Settings and Members. From there, look for the Connections area, which may also appear as My Connections depending on your workspace view. In that directory, find Slack and click Connect. This creates the bridge between the two platforms and starts the setup process. After that, a secure authorization window will appear. In the top right corner of that window, make sure the correct Slack workspace is selected before you continue. This is important if you belong to more than one workspace. Take a moment to review the permissions being requested so you understand what the integration can access and do. When you're ready, scroll down and click Allow. That finishes the authorization and gives Notion permission to work with Slack securely. Now that the connection is in place, you can configure automated database notifications. Go to any database inside your Notion workspace, such as a task board or project tracker. In the top right area of the database, click the Automations icon. If you don't see it immediately, click the three-dot menu and select Automations from there. Then click New Automation. Next, set up the automation the way you want it to work. For the trigger, choose something like Page Added or select an option based on a specific status column changing. For the action, choose Send Slack Notification To, and then pick the Slack channel where those updates should appear. This can be a public or private channel, depending on what's available in your setup. Once everything looks right, click Create. From that point on, whenever the selected event happens in your Notion database, Slack will receive a formatted notification automatically. You can also create Notion pages directly from Slack, which is perfect for turning conversations into trackable work. In Slack, hover over any message you want to save. Click the More Actions button, shown as 3 dots on the floating menu. Then select Create Task in Notion or Send to Notion, depending on how it appears in your workspace. A setup window will open where you can choose the destination workspace. Select the target Notion database, enter the title, and click Create. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next.